The Integrity Commission is recommending that Rowan Hall be charged for failing to declare his 2019 statutory declaration. He was served notice to pay a fixed fee of $250,000 for failing to do so, which he also failed to do. So, yeah. Again, people, accountability is very important as it relates to our leaders and those who are seeking to lead us. So please, no matter the political foolishness. These individuals are seeking to be in leadership position in our country. They are councillors and they know these things, or they should have advisors or persons who are their seniors to inform them of these things, or they should be educating themselves on these things, that they should file their declarations. There's no excuse. We're not babying persons who are seeking to hold leadership positions in our country. All right, good. These are just my thoughts.